Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Windows 10. Dark mode is a sleek and visually appealing option that gives your Windows interface a stylish, darkened appearance. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app. To do this, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select the Settings gear icon from the lower right corner. Step 2. Click or tap on the Personalization category in the Settings window. Step 3. In the left pane, select Colors. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the section labeled as Choose your default app mode. Here, you can change the app mode to Dark. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select Dark. That's it! You have successfully enabled dark mode in Windows 10. Enjoy the new stylish and darker appearance of your Windows interface. Dark mode not only enhances the visual appeal, but also reduces eye strain, especially in low-light environments. It's a great option for those who prefer a more modern and elegant look. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content.